Let's get straight to it. 2012 Cadillac CTS. This is the 3.0 liter engine. So today we're replacing the mass airflow sensor on this vehicle, and this is what your part should look like. So this is the location of it right here. Very easy to change. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this harness plug, and then we're going to remove these two bolts. So these are T15 Torx bolts, and you're going to need a T15 Torx bit to get it out. And today this is the one I'm using here. So let's go ahead and get this started. Get this harness plug removed. So right here on the bottom, you can press this clip in just like this with your finger, and then you can pull that off. So it's upside down like this, so you're gonna have to press it down from right here and get that off. I'm going to go ahead and start getting this off. All right, so now that both of these bolts are out, we can just pull that right out like that. So you can see it's like a little cartridge. So if you're gonna clean it, this is what you want to spray right there. Right inside of there, you want to spray your cleaner right in here. And you want to make sure you use the right cleaner, like a mass airflow cleaner. This is what the part looks like, guys, just in case you need help finding your new part. This is what your part is going to look like. All right, so let's get our replacement in. We're gonna put this in the same way the old one was in there. So let's get that flush. Now we can get our screws started. Now we can go ahead and tighten them all the way down. So remember, this piece here goes on the bottom. Let's get that reconnected. And that is all the way on. Just like that, guys, our part is replaced. So this is how you locate and replace the mass airflow sensor on a 2012 Cadillac CTS. And be sure to disconnect the negative battery terminal in the trunk before starting this job.